everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to talk about what it means to be awake. If you're not awake, well, aren't you about to be? Well, okay, so what it means to be awake, people are asleep in this world. They're still working their 9 to 5 job. Okay? They don't know what life has to offer. Some people do, some people don't. Some people just choose to work for the rest of their life. Why work when you can live life? Being awake is living life. Why wouldn't you want that? Why? Do you want to work for the rest of your life? Do you want to live from paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to not have money to buy things that you want in life? Do you not want to travel the world? Do you not want to be financially free? Do you want to be a slave to the system? Well, if you do, then you're not awake. If you want to be a slave to the system, you're not awake. I guarantee that. Why? Why, you ask? Is because why work at a job that only benefits the person that's on the top? They live their dream. They're living their dream. You're helping them live their dream. One man's dream, not your dream. One man's dream. The person that's on the top. Everyone's working to live their dream. And, they feel that when you're working, it's good to get money because people need money. Okay, people need money to, for the house, for the lights, for the car, for the water bill. You see what I'm saying? And, so they can enjoy life. So it's like, what the hell? I'm sorry. What are you working for if you're trying to live life and do all these things and you're saying you still want to be asleep? Why? Why be asleep? Why won't you just wake up? Understand what the world has to offer for you. Why? What? Why can't you just stay at home and enjoy life? Why can't you just go and explore the world and not have to worry about anything in the world? Why can't you do what you want? Why do you have to get up every morning and go to work? You see what I'm saying? People with children, they work all the time. They work hard. Their parents, they work hard. They want to live life. That's why they work, because they have children. They want them to experience life in a good way, for them to be able to provide for their children. Why not want more in life? Why not be able to just stay at home with your children? You know what I'm saying? Go wherever they want. Show them the world. Why? Why stay at home? Why be asleep? It doesn't make any sense. You're done. It's like when you're asleep, it's nothing great. Why be asleep? I know that we were asleep. We were asleep. But we awakened. We have woken up. We're living reality. We're not dreaming reality. We're living reality. So I feel that everyone, if you want to live your dreams, wake up. Wake up and see what the world has to offer. Live that lifestyle you always dreamed of. Live your dreams. Live reality. Bring them to life. Let's show the world what Wake Up Now is all about. Let's be awake. But, guys, I really do appreciate you tuning in and understanding what I feel about being awake. That's just my opinion. Maybe people have different opinions. But yes, being awake is very powerful. If you don't understand what it is, research it. Wake Up Now it's where it's at for me. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm awake. But for people that's not awake, it's not for everyone. But, everyone does have a dream, and some people don't want to live their dreams, and that's their choice. You can't make someone live their dream that they don't want to live. But yeah, so you live your lifestyle, and you help others live their dream as well. Getting paid residual income. Residual means monthly income. But, it's up to you. It's your decision. So yeah. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Bye.